Dear participants, it gives me immense happiness to welcome all of you to IIM Calcutta for this unique conclave on entrepreneurship. Initially, I had not wanted to say anything, but the organizers felt that I should have something to say. I just wanted to be like these flowers, that if I can just be silent and enjoy the conclave and just be a little colorful, that's why some color also. You know, they always put you in these difficult situations because it's a difficult task to address a group of people, more so a group of successful people, even more so if they are your own alumni and entrepreneurs. So I was wondering what to say so that you walk away with a good image of me and therefore will continue with a good image of Calcutta. I am your alma mater. Generally, I don't want to be responsible for denting that image, your love, affection. So thinking about that, I thought I'd just keep it simple and relevant. Today's topic is 2047 entrepreneurship. So I collated some of my thoughts. As our nation grows, our biggest challenge will continue to be our ability to provide gainful employment to the burgeoning population of youth who join society every day. For this, job creation becomes a fundamental necessity. Now, with governments moving out of businesses, the creation of jobs is now primarily the responsibility of businesses that make up the economic engine. And here the competitive pressures of reliability, efficiency, adaptability are driving businesses to embrace automation. And on top of that, with the advent of AI, the adoption of automation will become faster with reduced human intervention. So there is going to be disruption in jobs, employment. But then who will create the jobs? Finally, people have to run homes. So allow me to share a very powerful Sanskrit Subhashita. It goes something like this. Amantram aksharam nasti, nasti moolam anaushadam, ayogyaha purushaha nasti, yojakas tatra durlabhaha. The English translation roughly means there is no sound or a syllable that is not a mantra. There is no plant or the root of a plant that does not have medicinal value. And there is no person unworthy. What is lacking is an enabler, a yoja. And I think those of you sitting here who have had the good fortune of going through the portals of this great institute and have earned an MBA from here, I think you understand this better than I do. But it never hurts to repeat something that is good. Now, for creation of jobs, we need enablers, the yojak. Our nation therefore direly needs more and more entrepreneurs. IIM Calcutta plans to play, Director Professor Shaibal Chattopadhyay is here. My team and the team of professors are here. And they assure me that IIM Calcutta plans to play a leading role in capacity building of the entrepreneurial ecosystem. Just yesterday, we signed an MOU with one of the most successful entrepreneurs of India, Shri Madan Mohanka. He's sitting in the front seat. He's our very own from Calcutta. He's a Calcutta resident, and he's the founder of Tega Industries, TEGA, a supplier to the mining, mineral processing, and material handling industries across the globe. In its field, the Tega brand commands respect like Sony and Mercedes-Benz. So those of you who are familiar with these other industries will understand what I'm saying. Now, most of you here are entrepreneurs, and so there's nothing much I can really say that will be relevant to you that you already don't know. This institute would have given you a lot of management, formal education, and your experience would have taken you through the real education that life puts you through. So can I say something on management principles? It would really not cut it with you guys, or even with me. So I wondered, what should I say? So I'll just leave it to some things that I have followed in my life. Mine's an ordinary life, and I call them now, today, after so many years, I call them the Guru principles. You'll hear a lot about gurus and shishyas and all that, but even principles can be gurus. So for me, these Guru principles continue to help me through my life. Pluses, minuses, struggles, challenges, whichever way you want to define it. The first is, those of you who are here, I'm just sharing mine. Have faith. The second Guru principle is perseverance. And the third Guru principle is patience. If you scan the business landscape, you will notice that the founders of all the best brands in the world followed these three Guru principles. They did not sell out to make money and become rich. That they became rich is a different matter. They chose the long haul. They created value sustainably over years. Probably they inherently realized that the purpose of a company is to accomplish something, to advance a greater cause, to contribute to society, and not just to make money. I don't mean that money is not important, but making money alone should not be the motive. If you hold on to these values, it is my firm belief that you will effortlessly share the value that you generate with a larger cross-section of humanity. You will also be the source of employment and prosperity to that larger cross-section of humanity. Society recognizes such individuals. I don't recognize them as leaders. I consider such individuals as national assets. And I think each one of you deserves to transition from being an ordinary business leader or a CEO, managing director, or chairman, to become a national asset. The potential is inside you. Many of you are already on that journey. Many have achieved that status, and IIM Calcutta is extremely proud of you. Wouldn't it be wonderful to be in a list of the most loved people as compared to being in the list of the most powerful people, or the most successful people, or the most rich people? Again, I wish that alumni of IIM Calcutta would show up on the list of the most loved people. IIM Calcutta, the institution that I am representing, which has given me this position today, is proud of each one of you and grateful that you have spared your time for us by participating in this conclave. I wish this conclave great success and hope you will spend time rediscovering your alma mater and rekindling old bonds while making new bonds. Lastly, but most importantly, I wish to convey my deepest appreciation and gratitude to Madan sir for being our Margdarshak and a father figure to this conclave, to Professor Chairperson, our director in charge, and his team he is presently also holding the portfolio of Dean External Relations. So his team of Manshi and Miss Atrey for infusing incredible amount of positive energy into this effort. I also wish to thank my board colleagues, Ajay, Sanjeev, and Rupati, for being always supportive and for being the real heavy lifters. And they do the job effortlessly. But I can't end this without actually recognizing the contribution of other alums. Among them, Suraj Dhawan, hi Suraj, and Gurpreet Full. These are alums of IIM Calcutta. They have done the really heavy lifting. So if you enjoyed the way the layout is, you enjoyed the red carpet, and the real professional organizing and media management, it's these two alums behind this incredible effort. Now, I'm going to take it one notch beyond this, and that is, it's nice to clap for Suraj and Gurpreet, but I want you to just for a second dwell on this fact. I mean, this country boasts about this saying called unity in diversity. Well, I think the key word there is unity. In unity, there is strength. And if the alums were to rekindle that unity with the institute, there will be incredible strength, there will be incredible, the results will be, I don't even have the words to say. So may I just request all of you, and through you, the entire alumni community of IIM Calcutta, let's unite to take IIM Calcutta to those orbits that we have always imagined in our hearts. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.